Hello everyone, this is Avaranjan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use GPT-4 for free. As you know, ChatGPT is a paid premium tool through which you can use ChatGPT or text-based AI content you can create very easily. And we have ChatGPT 3, 3.5 as a freemium, but when you are going to avail ChatGPT 4, you need to get the paid plan. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT 4 for free. So it is going to be a very useful video for all of you. So before getting further, I just want you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you never miss such an amazing videos. And also, I want to say that I have made around 20 plus video on ChatGPT on different purposes. Like if you want to use ChatGPT for content creation, for SEO, for social media marketing tips, then you can follow my playlist ChatGPT. You will go to the playlist section and you will find those video. So now coming to this video. So there is a website called poi.com. You can see here. So this is the things that you need to know, that it has limited access, but in this you can create one or two best content from chat gpt that I have seen. To get access into that, you need to sign up with the gmail account or phone number that I have been done earlier. Now you have access to use ChatGPT 4. Here I have written, I have asked about what is SEO, then I used to get the information. But it has, as I have said earlier, it has limitation. So I have exceeded my daily reach, and this website is saying me that you need to get you know more access after this particular time. So but you can get content on any topic with the help of this, and it will give you the best content, but the limitation is there. So you can avail ChatGPT from here also, the earlier version of ChatGPT 3.5, where you have no such limitation on. But when you need to get the ChatGPT 4, you need to have a go with the limitation of access here. So you can use this. I will also make video of one or two more method in upcoming series of video, where I will see unlimited. I will share unlimited access of ChatGPT 4 version, and I will mention the tricks through which you can get the access of ChatGPT 4 for free with my shared tips and tricks. So please be with my YouTube channel and subscribe to this so that you are going to get the maximum benefit. Thank you for watching this video.